how you can create an Instagram post with text. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, hit down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on any of our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified when we release our new video. Now let's start. So the first step is open your Instagram. After you do that, just swipe to create a story. Now here you will see on the left hand side a create option. Tap on create and here you will be able to create a story. So here you'll need to type whatever you want. Just write your mind and create a text. And after you do that, you will need to save this. Just go to the three dots on the top right and tap on save and it will be saved to your camera roll. Now after you do that, just go back and now you will need to create a post. Tap on the plus icon on the bottom right and select the story that we just saved. After you do that, tap on next again and write a caption. After you do that, just tap on share and you'll have created an Instagram post with just text. So yeah, that is basically it guys. Thank you for watching. That is all for the video. Stay tuned for more and bye bye.